Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fade letters on CapCut. Here are the steps to fade letters or text on CapCut using your mobile device. First, open CapCut, then tap on New Project. Select a video or image as your background and tap Add. Now, tap Text at the bottom of the screen, then tap Add Text. Type your desired text, then hit the empty space on the screen and tap the check mark to confirm. Now, position and resize the text on the screen as needed by holding and dragging the edges. Tap the text layer on the timeline to select it. Scroll the bottom toolbar and tap Animations. Choose Fade In under In or Fade Out under Out. Adjust the duration of the fade using the slider. Tap the check mark to apply and tap the play button to preview your faded text. Another tip, you can apply both fade in and fade out animations for smoother transitions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.